just walking back home now. It's been a very lovely and a long day.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
There's this show I'm actually attending today. It's an R&B concert, proudly sponsored by Jackie and Louis. They are my boss from work. Before going for this show, there are one or two things I need to do before coming back home to prepare for this show. So this video is really going to be a long one. So it's a video showing you how I spent my day. Waking up in the morning, all glory to God, having my morning routine, preparing to go out, attending to one or two things, then coming back home to get ready for the show. I hope you all enjoy this lovely lifestyle vlog showing a day in my life, spending the day with me. So enjoy my way to work. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's House of Aduke. Before you continue watching this video, please do want to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Thank you. So today I'm actually going for a show, so get ready with me. Yes, I'm just going to be as simple as possible and natural as possible. No extra, nothing serious, because it's cold outside. Yeah, so get ready with me. For this out, I'm actually going out simple, no extra. So I'm going with this top and this jean, this pink top, and this jean, and this jacket, this winter scarf, yeah, because it's cold. I'll be wearing this hair, so simple and classy. No makeup. I don't think no makeup, just earrings and my wristwatch. That's all. So guys, I'm all set to go now. This is the final look for tonight's outing. Hair check, beauty check, outfit check. So it's time to go. I don't know if you guys can see my shoes. So it's time to go. Enjoy the rest of my day with me. And please do want to click on the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. How am I looking? How do I look? Yeah. So enjoy the rest of my day with me, guys. Now we're at the venue. Here, this is the neck. Yeah, the neck arena. Let me show you Jackie. Hi, Jackie.
Hey, let's go have some fun.
Yeah. I'll be showing you who Louis is soon. I'll be showing you who Louis is soon very, very soon. So, this Lou, everybody. Lou. Yeah. My lovely and pretty boss.
Tony Braxton tonight.
Yeah,
Tony Braxton.
Just walking back home now. It's been a very lovely and a long day. Thank you all for coming this far. Please do want to click on the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.